Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are gonna talk about Unit 10, Concepts 3. Let's see. Comparing decimals. Comparing decimals. To compare two numbers that has decimals, start comparing the highest place value. Line up the decimal points, then compare the digits beginning with the greatest place value. To compare 0.36 and 0.56. Okay, 0.36 hundredths and 0.56 hundredths. Okay, start comparing ones. We have 0 in ones and 0 in ones. Then we lined up the decimal point. Then start comparing from the greatest place value, ones with ones, and start comparing tenth. The number in tenths is 3 and here is 5, so 0.336 hundredths is less than 0.56 hundredths. Compare 0.6 and 0.06. Okay, line up the decimal points, then start comparing from the greatest place value. Okay, line up the decimal point. We have 0 and 0 decimal points, then 6 and 0. 6 tenths is greater than 0 in tenths, so 0.6 is greater than 0.06. Use the place value chart to compare each of the following two decimals, 0.37 hundredths and 0.7 tenths. Okay, let's see together. So our pens. Okay, 0 and 0. After the decimal point, we have 3 and 0. Without completing, 0.37 and 7 is less than 0. This is less than 0.7. Okay. 0.35 hundredths and 0.29. Line up the decimal point. Start comparing ones, 0 and 0. We have 3 in tenths and 2 in tenths. Without completing, 3 in tenths is greater than 2 in tenths, 2, so 0.35 hundredths is greater than 0.29 hundredths. 0.80 and 0.9. Sorry. Okay, line up the decimal point. We have 8 and 0. So 8 is greater than 0.6 and 0.60. Start, line up 6 and 6. Okay, and 0 in hundredths and nothing, but 0.6, 0.6, which is 6 over 10, and 0.60, which is 60 over 100. These are equivalent fractions, so they are equal. Compare, write greater than or equal or less than or equal. 0.52 with 0.54. 0 and 0, 5 and 5, 2 and 4, so this is less than 3.7 and 3.70. Okay, 3 and 3, 7 and 7, 0, they are equal, equivalent fractions. 3.7 over 10 with 3.70 over 100, equivalent decimals. 0.9 and 0.82. Okay, 0 and 0, 9 and 8 is greater than 3.4 and 4.56 hundredths. 3.3 and 4, this is less than, without completing the number. Okay, 1.52 hundredths and 1.45 hundredths. 1 and 1, 5 and 4 is greater than 2.05 and 2.15. 2 and 2, 0 and 1 is less than. Okay, we have comparing 5 and 62 over 100 and 5.47 hundredths. Okay, 5 and 62 over 100 and 5 over 47 over 100. Okay, you have to convert this number to a decimal, which is 5 and 62.62 and 5.47. Okay, 5 and 5, 6 and 4 is greater than. Let's see. We write the fraction as a decimal, which is 5.62. Okay, line up the decimal points and start comparing or beginning with the greatest place value. 6 is greater than, so this number is greater than this number. Okay, compare using greater than or less than. This number is in expanded form. You have to convert it to the standard form. 3 plus 1, 0.1 plus 0.07. 3 is a whole number, so it will be 3. It will be 3. Okay, point. We have 1 and 10s and 7. 3.17 and 3.2. 3 and 3. 1 and 2. 1 is less than, so this number is less than this number. Okay, so you have to convert the number in the standard form, or if you have the fraction, you have to convert the fraction to the decimal form. Okay, 5 hundredths and 50 hundredths. 5 hundredths, which is 5 over 100. And this, convert it to the standard form, which is 0.5 and 0.50, 0.05. Okay, 0 and 0, 0 and 5, this less than. Okay, 9 and 0.1 and 8. Okay, so convert this fraction to the decimal way. Okay, 92. Okay, 8, 9 and 8, 9 is greater than. 4 ones and 3 tenths and 100. 4 ones at the left of the decimal point. Put the decimal point 3 and tenths and 1. It's equal. Okay, equivalent number. Okay, but greater than 4.8 and 7.5. 4 and 7 is less than. 2 and 2, 5 and 7, 5 is less than. Okay, 4 and 3 greater than. 13 and 13 is absolutely greater than 1. 7 and 7, 7 and 8 less than. 1.2 and 5, absolutely 5 is greater than. 6 and 6, 3 and 5 is greater than. Okay, 0.76 and 2, this absolutely is greater than the number in difference. Okay, 3.4 and 4.56, 3 and 4, 3 is less than. And 6.12 and 6.33, 6 and 6, 1 is less than. 4 and 4, 6 is less than. 8 is greater than. 0.5 with 0.05. Okay, 0 and 0, 5 is greater than, and so on. 5 hundredths and 5 hundredths. Let's see. 5 hundredths, that means 5 0.5. And 500 means 500 without any decimal point, so this absolutely is greater than 6. Okay, فين الإريتر؟ Okay, 6.08 equals 6 ones and 76 and 7 tenths. 6.7. Okay, so this is greater than. Okay, and so on. Circle all the decimal numbers greater than 3.2. 3.2. All the decimals that greater than, okay, 4, 3.2, 3.3, okay, 3.52, okay, and 6 also. Okay, circle the decimals that smaller than 2.3, smaller than 2.1 and 0.7, 2.03, 1.85, 2.29. There is no numbers. Okay, arrange in ascending order, start from the smallest decimal number. Okay, okay, 1.9 ascending, this is number 1. After that we have 3 and 5 and 7 and 3, 3, 6, 6. So this is the second number, and after that this is the third number, and we have 5. Okay, descending order from the greatest number, which is 1391, 1365. Oh, okay, 13.2, 13.12, and finally 10, and so on. Okay, adding using models. Okay, we have this 1 over 100 over 100 plus 100 over 100 plus this is 25 over 100. It's 2 over 25, 2 and 25 over 100, and this is 1 plus 32 over 100. Okay, we had to add the whole numbers together. It's 3 and 25 plus 32 is 57 over 100. 2 over 10 is equal to 20 over 100, and 17 over 10 is 1, and 7 over 10. We have to separate the fraction and the whole number. Okay, 125 over 100, 1 and 25 over 100, which is 100 over 100 plus 25 over 100, 1 and 25 over 100. Okay, 2 over 10, which is 20 over 100, 80 over 10, which is 8 over 10, 7 over 70 over 10 over 100, over 10. Okay, 3 over 10 over 10, 3 over 10 and 6 over 10, it's 9 over 10. 42 plus 7, 49 over 100. 7 over 10 plus 13 over 10. We have over 10 and over 100. So I will convert the number to 7 over 10 to 70 over 100 to make it easy to make addition. Okay, So the 70 over 100 plus 13 over 100, it equals 83 over 100. 5 over 10 and 60 over 100. So it will be 50 over 100. Now 67 over 100, it will be 117 over 100, which is 1 and 17 over 100. 1 over 10 and 2 over 100. Okay, it will be 10. It will be 10 over 100 plus 2 over 100, which is 12 over 100. 7 plus 10 plus 15, I will convert it to 20 over 100 and add. Okay. Add the whole number 3 and the same denominator, 57 over 100. They are all have the same denominator, which is 10. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 8 equal 16 over 10, which is 1.6. 2 over 10, which is 20 over 100. 20 plus 38 over 100, and so on. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Goodbye, my friends.